Can you say cheese? Brayden, can you say cheese? Please? Oh, you're saying please, what a sweet boy. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? What dada?
Dad.
Can you say papa? You watching yourself?
Papa.
Papa. Can you say granny?
Nana.
Nana?
Nana.
You say granny?
Nana.
That's a hard word, huh? What about dinky?
Uh-oh.
You say dinky?
Wait.
Bubba? Can you say Bubba?
Papa.
Can you say Daisy?
Daddy.
Can you say Doris?
Story.
Doris. Can you say Dorothy?
Daddy.
Good job. Where's your belly?
Buddy.
Belly. Where's your nose?
No.
Nose. Where's your head? Head. Can you count? Say 1, 2, 3.
2.
Can you say Banky?
Buddy.
Banky. Can you say puppy?
Bubby. Puppy.
Puppy. Can you say kitty?
Kitty.
Can you say horse?
Boy.
You give mama kisses?
Ow. Ow.
Don't stand on those, please. No. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Daddy.
Can you say I love you?
I know.
Oh.